Why are you popping it?
Because you won't cry. Poppy, poppy. Poppy. I on top. I will get. I spit it.
Are you licking it?
I spit it. I spit your
No,
car.
don't spit on my car, please.
I lick it.
If you want to.
Dad's car so nummies.
Is Daddy's car so nummies?
Yes. Eat cars. You eat food. I eat cars. I eat all of the cars.
You eat all the cars?
Yes. Because it's going to be gone and I'm going to burp.
The cars are going to be all gone and you're going to burp?
Yes. I'm going to do a big giant burp. I eat the dad's truck.
You eat Daddy's truck?
Yes. And now we're going to like the dad's car.
Are you going to slide down nice like that?
No.
No, those are the windshield wipers. They're fragile. They're not steps.
We're not steps. We got to get steps and we get down. I'm sleeping, Daddy.
Oh, you're sleeping?
I'm watching a movie.
Oh, you're watching a movie?
I'm watching dragons. I'm watching Tangled. I'm watching Toilet. I'm watching Tangled. I'm watching Tangled too.
Okay, let's go inside Daddy's house.
I don't want to. I'm staying and watch dragons. I stay and watch Tangled.